Hello everyone. Today, in this video, I want to discuss how to use the Modbus Wizard to convert a standard Modbus function code and address into the 6-digit address used by the Modbus Monitor XPF and Modbus Monitor Android application. The 6-digit address can be quite confusing for beginners and students, so I hope this video helps you out. For this tutorial, you will only need to know the Modbus function code and Modbus address. Additional information about the 5 or 6-digit address can be found on my website and Wikipedia. Let's get started. First, let's start fresh and delete existing monitoring points. The Modbus Wizard is located in the Home tab. There are two ways to use the Modbus Wizard. Let's discuss the simplest way to convert the address into the 6-digit format. First, ensure that you have the offset set correctly. Choose either a 1 or 0 address base. We will leave the default value as 1-based, meaning our first register starts at address 1, not 0. Now, simply choose the correct function code from the drop-down box in Modbus Address and click the plus button to add it to the list. The address will not be added to the list if it already contains a monitor point with the same address and function code. Next, let's use the Modbus Wizard to easily set more features and give us finer control over polling and processing. The Modbus Wizard automatically adds the proper codes based on the selections. This gives you more capabilities to program the special codes and have control over your Modbus monitor point. As before, choose the function code and address. Choose the data point. Next, select the value in milliseconds for the update interval. Other options are once, where the monitor point gets polled once during the start, or skip, which skips the polling if only some of your devices support that Modbus address and you want to keep it in the list for documentation purposes. We will choose the option to poll this monitor point every 3 seconds. The bit field comes in handy for an integer value that writes only 1 bit. You can choose which bit to read or write, indexed from 0 to 15. This is how the Modbus Wizard figures out all codes based on the features. Alright, we have reached the end of the video. So, that's how you use the Modbus Wizard to convert your standard Modbus addresses and function code into a 6-digit format. I hope this saves you time and makes polling Modbus devices effortless using the Modbus Wizard. Alright, this is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye.